Hi, it's Brian Decker. I want to talk to you today about understanding your investment statements. First thing I do is I look at the beginning and ending balance for the month. Each statement will show that. And grab a calculator and just find out how much you made for the month. And then compare that against an index like the S&P 500. Then look at the statement and see where you are year to date, your beginning balance January 1 and where you are now. Do the same thing, calculate where you stand for the year and compare that to the S&P 500. You can use other indexes if you have a bond or bond component or alts or other things, but you want to make sure that you're comfortable with how you're doing in your account. The next thing is the pie chart shows how your investments are allocated, percentages in each category, sectors of the economy. Your holdings show what you own at the end of the month, and take a look at your top 5 holdings. Make sure you're comfortable with those. Each individual holding has a gain loss in dollars and percentages, so you can see who your biggest winners are, who your biggest losers are. Now, the income section lets you see dividends and interest for the month and for the year to date. The activities section lets you see new buys or sells in your portfolio. And in the activity section, that's where you're going to find fees, management fees, expenses, things like that. The last thing is make sure that you can locate tax documents. That will be in when you look at your statements. That will be part of the link that you can click on so that you have access to tax documents. Remember, any retirement accounts, you don't have to worry about that, but it's just the non-qualified accounts like individual accounts or joint accounts or trust accounts. So this is Brian Decker. Hope that helps in tracking your own investment performance.